Hello, this is my wife's car, a 2011 Ford Escape. A few days ago she told me that it has some problems with the air conditioning. The air blower motor was only working on higher speed. Selecting 1 or 2 on a dial would not give you any airflow. Only on the 3rd and 4th position the air blower will actually work. I did some research on the internet and I found out that this is quite a common issue on this model. It is caused by a failure of the resistor, which controls the speed of the blower motor. This resistor is located behind the glove compartment. It's quite easy to remove the glove compartment. You just have to open it up and push in on the side tabs located on the back of the compartment, and it will just slide down. This 4-pin connector can be removed by pressing the tab on top and in the same time pulling upwards the whole thing. That's the tab right there. There are 2 8mm bolts holding the card in place. Once you get them out, you can remove the resistor. As you can see, there are some signs of corrosion on this card. In time, the moisture from the airflow just went under the paint and corroded the resistive layer. This card gets really hot when in use, and that's why it needs to be force cooled by the AC airflow. These are the 2 8mm bolts and the socket key. I wanted to see if I can fix this card, or at least make it work temporarily until I'm getting a new one. I scraped off the bloated paint to see the traces underneath. And I found the resistive layer interrupted in 3 places. I used a lot of solder to fill up the gaps where the resistive layer was missing. It was completely corroded. And this is how it looks like when it's done. All these tiny little dots are actually corrosion under the paint, so this card will not really last very long. So this was my temporary fix for this issue. I will not recommend anyone to do it. it's easier to get a new resistor and just replace it. It's not an expensive part, somewhere around $25 to $30, and it will probably last for many years. This was just me being bored and eager to do some soldering work. And now the moment of truth, and yes, I can feel it. It's working. Second, yes, it's working. Yeah, seems like all the speeds are working exactly the way they're supposed to. Thank you for watching.